Are you having trouble lighting your Masterbuilt Gravity? Let me show you the way I do it. It's super easy. So you're going to see just how fast I can actually turn the fan on and start getting the temperature climbing, okay? So here we go. Here's everything you need. Got to have a good, I like Royal Oak a lot. It's a good lump charcoal. I never use briquettes. I think the flavor's better. I've got a nice torch here. It's a quick light torch. These are about $3. I get a 4-pack on Amazon for like $10, $12. These are the Masterbuilt fire starters. I got a couple of pieces of cherry wood here, and we got to plug it in. All right, first step is you want to open it up. We're going to open up this top, and we're going to open up the ash catch down here, okay? I've got about a quarter full of ashes in here. I'm not emptying it. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take a nice chunk, toss one in here, toss one in here. Okay, now I'm standing it up so you can see the height of the charcoal. I'm not going to add any charcoal, although I could. I'll put some in a couple hours, but I don't need to do it right now. Put that in, leave the door open, leave this open. You don't have to open this. But what you do have to do is pull these out right now before you forget. Put them where they belong, right here. Nice little, I love that holder. That's a great idea they have. All right, so now here's one of my tips for you. As you know, sliding a starter in there is really difficult. Some of them don't fit. Some of them are so short that they fall through into the ash. By the way, there is a guy that I read on Facebook. He was throwing his fire starter in here. That's not where they go. They go in this slot right here, right here. Okay, so here's the first trick for you. I say don't mess around. These are cheap. You're going to cook a $40, $50 smoke on here, whether it's a brisket, might be $100, ribs, $40, $50, right? Why mess around with trying to be chintzy on how to light it? Use these or something like them. These are very thin. They fit perfectly in this slot. They were made for it, by the way. So use these, and when you break them apart so you have two of them. Why do I do that? Because it's longer and it'll slide in easier. I don't have to shove my finger in there or use a paint stick or something else, and then just light the thing. So I'm going to light it up out here. And again, some guys, they say they light it for 2 minutes. You can see what I'm doing here. I just want to get it tree lit. You're not going to burn your fingers. You can put it in here where there's no wind. I just want to get it started so it's not going to blow out. All right, you can see how much it's light, right? That's good. I'm going to slide it in. It's nice and long. So look at that. It's right where it belongs. It's already starting, right? We'll put this over here because we're going to add some in a little while. You can see this is coming out flame right here a little bit. It's been in there less than a minute right now. The smoke's coming out. It's lighting. I mean, this baby's getting ready to go. So while that's getting ready, as long as these are open, you should understand the fan system. When these doors are open, this press down and this press down start the fan down here. If these are up, the fan won't start, right? And you don't want it to start until you close these, because if the fan starts now, there's nothing holding this back, and you want that to be sealed. Okay, so while that's doing, let's plug it in. One of the things I want to do is look into that battery option. I think that would be really cool not to have to plug this into electricity. All right, so I got that in, plugged. I turned it on, so let's shut it. As soon as that fan turns off, that means it hit 275. Now right now, we're on 4 minutes from starting point. When it hits 5 minutes, I bet you it turns off. There you can see the needle easy enough, right? We're at 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Here's what we did really quick. I want to review the process before the end of the video. Take your baffles out. Don't forget to do that. You have to do that. It doesn't matter if this is open or closed. As far as I'm concerned, I've never noticed a difference. I tend to leave it closed, the grill top. This has to be open. This has to be open when you're lighting it and when the charcoal is being lit from the starter stick. When you put that starter stick in, use 2 of them, light it, and slide it in as with your finger. Just slide it in as far as you can, easy. I think using 2 of them, keeping these doors open, you have to get that baffle out of there. Guaranteed this thing's going to light in 2 minutes. I have always lit it in 2 minutes using lump charcoal. I use royal oak. I throw those chunks of wood in there for the smoke. And I put, like I say, I put wood in here in the ash can, and I also put one up in here. And as I add more charcoal, I throw another chunk in there. I get a tremendous smoke flavor. I like to use cherry wood, apple wood, pecan. Those are great for chicken and pork. If you're going to do brisket, hamburgers, beef, you can use hickory. It's a stronger wood. But if you're doing the others like pork and chicken, stick to those milder flavors. The hickory's a little strong for chicken and spare ribs, unless you like it. If you like it, don't let me tell you what to do. But anyway, make sure you plug it in. Make sure you turn it on with the button. That's how you start this thing. I hope this helps anybody that's been having some difficulty, because it shouldn't be difficult. It should be really easy. So with that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.